Alrighty gang, I'm back at you with a hot off the press ODDATV parts update. We got exciting news because Joe sent us this brand new Fl350 reproduction Pullstart cover. It is an exact duplicate or replica of the original stock one. The only thing you'll need to install it is a 17mm wrench clamp to hold your Pullstart, and you might need a pair of needle nose pliers and a 10mm ratchet to remove the 3 10mm bolts from your Fl350 wing. I'm going to get you over here and get you set up so you can see how easy it is to replace your Fl350 Pullstart cover or install one if you don't have one. Alright guys, I'll see you in a second. So the easiest thing to do to make sure you can retain your rope before you get everything actually installed is you can put everything over the rope, i.e. Your Pullstart cover, fish that up through. It's crowning. Alright, this is where the aforementioned needle nose pliers will come in handy. There you be. And then you can go ahead and you can tie your knot. And then pull her through. Let's go ahead, let's throw our cap on. Now we can go ahead and put this through here. Run our nut up through. Let's take our clamp off the rope here. There. Grab our 17mm wrench, snug that up. Remember, that's a plastic nut, so you don't have to go crazy. And then you get down here and you get it on the rim. There we go. It's on all the way around there. And then there we go. That's it. Super simple. Alright folks, I give a real world time for this job to about 15 minutes to a half hour, depending on how familiar you are with your machine. Wasn't that difficult. It was actually super simple, and if you follow those steps, guaranteed it's the easiest way to do it without banging your head on the wall, which we've done numerous times here on this channel. So, alright, big thanks to Joe for getting this part reproduced, and that should be available at ODDATV.com here in the next couple weeks. And as I always say, if you're riding, stay safe, wear a helmet, and I'll see you soon.